Shalom, Israel, Most High in Christ blessed, Captain Yawanathan. We're here in an undisclosed location, all right, keeping the feast of the Lord. Listen, about a month ago, a little over a month ago, we revisited a Christian, so-called Christian church, to talk about the things going on in our community, some solutions to the problems that plague our people in those communities. After being invited to come back to have a formal dialogue with the pastor, when we did that, all right, we were met with violence.
Don't bring no shit over here. Go to Shiloh, somewhere else.
Okay.
It's 20 we out here.
Y'all say y'all want to come in peace, but y'all got weapons.
Not today.
This brother got a crowbar.
We have created such a hostile environment.
We don't fuck y'all up, nigga. That ain't no motherfucking question, nigga. Can we shake this big man? How you gonna fight, bro? We ain't coming. Touch what, nigga?
We have weapons. We're not nobody.
No guarantee, bro. We need y'all with resistance, man. Y'all think they ready, but I'm ready now.
Then we got to start dealing with the people in our family
Shake your motherfucking dad.
and within our circle that we have influence with on talking to them about the nonsense.
Beat your motherfucking ass.
It can't be comfortable that they hide the guns and stuff in your house.
The son of a prominent pastor is shot in a violent home invasion.
One thing police are confident about, this home invasion was not random.
Once we showed him the evidence that Pastor Hunter invited us back, he completely denounced any knowing whether it was of the invite or this Pastor Hunter.
Pastor Hunter in New Salem.
What's your name, sir? What's your name?
My name is Pastor Hunter.
No, Pastor Hunter is in New Salem.
Next week, what's your name? Pastor Hunter, right?
How many times I gotta tell you?
Instead of doing it this way, we was bogus. This don't make no sense.
We needed an apology. Amos 3:3 says, how can two walk together except they be agreed? So we can't really move past the incident that happened. He was completely unapologetic.
That was highly unchristlike what happened. And we do feel we are owed an apology for that event. Well, brother, we ain't gonna get nowhere then. Y'all didn't want to meet about solutions. Y'all have a good day.
So I want y'all to watch it. Share these videos so the whole world can see the evil of these Christian churches. All right. Shalom, Israel. Most High in Christ blessed.